Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the EasyToys Steamy Douche. So let's get started. So this is the EasyToys Steamy Douche itself. As you can see, it has a very unique design. Now you can clean your insides with this anal douche before anal sex. With an anal douche you can clean your intimate areas, which will make anal sex even better and more hygienic. This anal douche is made of soft, flexible silicone, which is soft and smooth and easy to clean with after use. The 4 openings at the top just here make sure your insides are thoroughly cleaned. To use, simply unscrew the bottom part to fill it with lukewarm water. Once that is done, you are ready for an intimate shower. Screw back on and make sure it's nice and tight so no water can escape, and squeeze the bulbous part just here and the water will squeeze out here, ensuring a hygienic during use. If you want to use the intimate douche both anally and vaginally, always clean both the inside and outside very well with lukewarm water and a toy cleaner to minimise any harmful bacteria. You can use water-based lubricant at the top part just here for optimal comfort during fit. Make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. And that is the EasyToys Steamy Douche. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.